So thank you very much for the final commendation. Before we invite Imam Mohammed Hassan, Acting Chief Imam of the Ghana Forces for the Dua, I want to acknowledge in a very special way the members of Parliament. So thank you very much, sir, for coming.
I say yes, I'm more called Badwam TV. So na nina no no muni na yikesia na eda ni mono. Ehun hyehyeye ene free ahomache no a ebepem sabre yede abramo Flagstaff House. 24 would draw Emma ene yirenom won mu nyina ka won montie. Amende promotion akoso ede ama servicemen no ebiensa no yede beba na ekoso wo eye Blaster Square na sabre ya yabobon mpaya ye ho hyehyeye nyina no ye peja mu no ede akọ military cemetery na fe yadehye ensia na aka no onso yakọ akọpẹ won mo krabie ewo ho wunim sabna pokua wo Flagstaff ye Blaster Square na afe prince onso asiedu enso ewo ye cemetery and as military cemetery ho also ormo beye eniema kakra ewo ho ni nyina no ye de ebebro mo hye so sefira no pana bepem sabre no ye Victor Kwame Kwashi ono na ebo yi ema yen kakra yen kwabna pokua ho na yen hwe mpanifo ahodo a wanya wo pokua wote yen ka yen tie o. Ebeshe na yenya abna pokua na fe ya hye dia ekoso nti awrade a wo ye rechechefo no ye besre no aso nkoso ancheche abusua no re omodin memu ankuma kura mfie aduasa num mfie aduasa nsia ketenkete awrade encheche won mo re pokua so wote yenka yentie o abna pokua wote yenka Sabina nyante yen kanti sese wo hwe edia na chese ahoboa no a na omuguso a ahye no mpanifo ahodo atu a won mo ekoyi a yekwa akopie mo ewo eye military cemetery na yahwe nia ekoso ewo ho enti no eho ne yekwa akopɛ wo mo krabe yenhwe na abena pokua nya mpanifo bi a wono ni nkomo pokua wote yenka yetie o. Era say nsamo kwa babie mu se woni yatena fira no pa no abepem sabre na ni nyina no eye awufusum ya na ye pe won krabre nso na no kwada bi a yenka bi nhemu yomu hyen ye kotehwe ya yade hye nwotwi eto na nanu monsie do akunafo abekasa ma bekasa abusia akasa mampani akasa enuma wura no makasa tie na de yade hye nsia na aka no yakope won mo krabe ewo military cemetery said de na no kwasiada no yenuanu mo nkramofo mienu no ye won mo de won kɔ ye no ye de nsia na aka no so ekɔ ho aban de hyehyɛ aguna kwan so sa asrafo amiensa ewiemhyɛ won mo twi ne crew members ne de won mo hyehyɛ mu no yabɔ won mo abaso mampani ese dwumadie kɛse bi sɛ kɔso a nsia no a aka no wonso abaso body no eda ho ni nyina mu no aban no aye nhyehyɛ se emofra ya emema nkantinka enwotwi agya wachire no aban no etwafoto ede ato ho na ye de asonkwada no asen ewo won mo adesua mu a kosi won panin fie suku a won mo bekọ tertiary no emu enti Stanbic Bank kra de kan abie ebra won mo edi sika foto 500,000 ahyemu aban no so de ne de eba beka ho omo behwe se ankrankra ni nyumakuo nso omo bie kwan ene amanonefo nso epese ye boa sankra no yebetumi ede aboa wo mo fi se won mo agya etiase a na omo wani so ade hunu ne botaye bi ema wo ma ti se no won mo ni ho na ni omo ni ho no adwuma a wo mo koya so wo mo man Ghana ene de won akọ nananom se aduo ya na ne na wo so man no so ye bibie ede hyenkra no animonyam se de anka won mo agya ete ho anka obeye ne pepepe no nti no so aban ede sa hyehye no ato ho no mo ti no ne dwumadie ya akoso enedai ewo oman Ghana mu akiri ne bencheye ahoho won nyina baaye ene embesu ye pepa ye ne wamu ne suo osofo preach ti mi yo gidie sensam a yaktie ye nyina ye de bebo ye mbra fi se ye nam a ye koye bei obi nim adechie mu nsam se no won ni mo pa se eda 6 August no se ne besi a ebia kaya moaye humpo se ye beko nanso awrade onim adechie mu nsam no ona nim bibia nti ono a odema na ono a osaje nti onya rechechefo emfama ekunafo no awrade mo muntimi nyina na nkura no nso awrade nyina won mo achi onye won mo kese ye behwe se ye beko prince osu asiedu eho na fe enna kasada mamemfre Victor Brana ye ntoa so na ye no onwie wasa ye twen nti prince Victor Betna say edi amame ye nkwa abna pokua hosabre wa ye krado na ye hwe ne ekoso pokua wote ye nka ye ntie de ekoso
Sadiq na otisi ne no di nkomo ne ye bekoso a awram na fe ya hwe mpanyifo ni bi ene wo abo enkomo na fe ya to aso enche bi omo de omani ebekire mu ewo asrafo amusie na de aka wo ho ni nyina no omo de ato aso enti no yeguso ena mu ehwe empanyifo ni bi na enyomo akasa sade tie no dodo no a efri ha no ade omani akire mu ewo military cemetery ho no nti ho na empanyifo nsia no beka ya mienu a omo di kan toto omani ema no eho a ena omo de omo ekoya laji mutala na laji limuna eho eno omo de omo koye sanso ena enei no ensia aka akire no eho anso no omo de omo eko nti ye bawram na ye hwe empanyifo ni bia omo nya mpajaye
Then one of the elders addressed
na ye nyoma kasa na enjiremu bi e wo honom no omode aba manya ye yera spiogabra e wo ha Adom yaba ye hwese ne be kasa anopamu a ye bo modern no na opese dwumade ne ba na wieye anka wadaro mo ye sava bi mu abrechichensen be de na be kan kire busua ne o man Ghana yetie
I'm there. Oh, yeah, hanging out, yo. And yeah, Ghana for. Na, so, and Adom NDC party. Wafa waka baby. You honey as it, but no dom na now NDC for. Oh, yeah, a ban swap so. What you hanging I Jumada. And say, been back there in Bibia with him. Oh, yeah, from 2014 to 2017. Abra, I'm paying John Mama. I am Minister for Trade and Industry. Now, I'm Waka Bibia, no, so I friend Dr. Ibrahim Alaji Butala. No, I'm Maba Dishira, Mini Juma. I'm not quick Hagana, no, so say, Sadan Parliament. You see, and I am Hona Juma. Then, and you know, your power, I'm just a Ghana for you now, so I can't now offer the washer one. I can't, yo, you see. Easy yo. You should the president to announce fund that was the best share. My famana wage on ho. If you promotions are was my military fund. Ma also Obama war you know now we busha for so we support from urban government no. Nzeri nya edanyame ase. The man say yako yenyim. All the man samido.
No re ora eko spio gabra doctor na yene no edi enkobo no na mayimra akire ho na yene opanyi kwame na ahoy emebo enkomo tew na fe yenko yanim eja wadaroma daddy Mr. Badwam TV mo hawe
Oze
ya mo hawo ye chia we de nyina ye hye ye hoden e wo de asie no na de di kan de na obeka afa de asie no ho hyehya hodo a ene ye de ayie no state barrier na bana we
so de meka de na wo maka ni na o tribute ni ndi mi ne we ka me associate me ho with the maka nyina
It's over rich chance somehow the Bama Busia for Nigana for United.
I'm not in a mood to give
Let us say we saw our Adom TV in Blaster Square, Abnapokia, and then Pennyfui, Dim Comboy. Na said you wouldn't move that. See, I make us say no. Ye call a military cemetery hall, Honomonso, a Shano, a horn, a Yakako Pewa more crab, Tino, or the kind walk ya. Prince also said, we are money boni or ho. Fiano Pano Bepem Sabri. Prince, Oti and Car. Yamwakwa Banshano at say our horses here.
Baby, I'm a Chado military cemetery waha a year addition ancient a womo ako yomo ag ewo Independence Square no. I say ana womo ediomo beba na womo ababisio. O share mechi ya. I say na womo ede a year emu na wo adaka nim eba womo edi beba bisi enade na wo ho no obia edade ene wo ho a womo di nhwiren fita ene green esisi hu fefefe ewo ho no wo hwe eye enade na enu nso womo painting hu na si ho na eho na womo di nhwiren eye grief bi ebesisi ede ama eye adehye na enim ho no bebi asojani ni ejina na chi ho no eho na aquaristes wo ma ombeto nwom no ebetena ye hwe eye tent a ewo mfimfi ho no nsuso a tent no bebi a omampani ni na bedi chire ni chief of staff eni mpanifo ahodo enso betena ewo ho oba eye wo ma omo aban government officials ana ebusua eno eni tent a ewo mfimfi no hwe enchen nsuso a wo mo abo tent ewo ha asa tent no ehon nso no empenifo ebetena ho entina asori wo mo be ya asori kakra ewa ha ansa na wo mo afa eye emu no ewa adakam ababesi entimi no ka se de bebia wo mo de eye emu no ebehye no obia ni tokuro ewo ho a wo mo etu ewa ha fefefefefe wo mo siesie bibia e de Ghana flag eye red gold green eni mfimfin black star bi e de ahyehye eye tokronim asiesie mu bibia ye kama womo ede womo ebedu ho a bibia ebekoso nti bambo ho nsem obepie mu ha bambo ho nsem eyade e wosoro pa ansa na wobedu eye Chado military cemetery no runabout e wo ho no fi ho ede ba cemetery ni mu a bepie
yada na se papa prince usesiedo na ono so maya mane no ntino wa wonim Chado kwan no eye bema camp kwan na yede famu cosmetics no said the watcher na hono nyina no from hono security near tight e wo hono mo pa de call military cemetery hono a yekope ya de hye no ekrabie no ti enko ye Blaster Square ho biemu ahwene anya mpanifo yi ene wo di nkomo entimra
mpanifo no bia na emane anuanom a asem kesese ato na mesra ma because awrachi kire na be firi nyame no hia asem bibia emu owrem ne mu yeya
na rehu semi ba ye yate so mampani aboso so mo ebete futu bia nkwada mpanyifo nwatwi nyina giachi wo mode ebeso san kwada nasene hu sana mantu ni sen obi ka se we ensese ko parliament na ko yetintintin bi o mampani na nsi gina ye
sanete anunti no ye o ma ne nyina agya ade boni se yesia o wa kache ne yesia boa o ma me so meka ne se yemie mu na obia companies individuals lawyers doctors se sa se metoa aka osuko bi mehwe oba na nye a whole public activity e be shiro bia so wo shira okunafo oba en shira ho wo shira obi a wa janka en shira ho na enye te say ye government
So, sir, as the bodies are carried to the cemetery, respectfully we shall stand to pay our last respect. And all officers in uniform are requested to salute. Thank you.
Inside, outside, 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 inside, outside.
So we are all reminded that when the bodies are taken out, the national anthem will be played.
Inside.
So shall we all keep standing?
Outside. Inside. 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 Outside.
His Excellency the President will now go and shake hands with the families.
He was dead. Prepare to lower. Prepare to feed.
Shall we all remain standing where we are, please?
Dress back. Dress it. Come.
mine. No, don't go and mine in a responsible way, because say in an irresponsible way. And we don't have to go and put all these programs together. Spend money putting one program after another. We military, we chasing people all over the place. Why? Mine, but mine in a responsible way, and leave the environment for your descendants to come. Otherwise, if you don't take care, you are spoiling all your forest. When it starts to affect the rainfall patterns, not agriculture, because you will see that it is because of the forests that we are destroying. Because why are we being so irresponsible? Why are we being so irresponsible? Sikaka krenti, gold ka krenti, then where you can mine, you mine. Where you want to live, you live. So that we balance the two out. Mine pesika, among for pesika, yes, but let's just be more responsible as citizens. And I'm hoping, sir, the investigation will be transparent. The Ghana forces will communicate with the citizens, because people are curious to know what happened, where they are in their investigation. Interesting, but let's just love each other a bit more. Thank you.
Honorable Gisela Tete Agbotui Awutusenya West Emrase Bejani Onoso Deputy Minister for Works and Housing and Yeneno Akasan Menko Gomoa East Badwam Pesuano so na me no mo Emrase Bejani eni enkomotel Honorable Desmond Petu Honorable yenyina yen shede yenyina ye me ho shede me no eba yes ye na communicate kire Ghana
communication no kasa cheni na ye Odikan Nimparent Transada. It's a quite be a Nimpa Bafadra, Edebocono, Oduha, Echo. Nemom no corno Nayana, Oya Roho. Settima Michanasi. Jema ye jamueno, Owodi, Obiabu, Sedema Sofone preaching. Nemom Nario Ho no Fado Bayano, Nama Yem Shishin. Obejayan Adisuya, Obejayan Enyidaho. Obejayan ahweye amanzama bia de o man yentutu ne yie no ye fiase de ye botutu ne yie na bibia da na kwam pepepe azad now we je busua ye hun tribute ne ahoro a obekan wo ha ne mu awerho su na de maye bekan de ebusua no nso nchechire wo were setima mechenase Oyawe hopa ye de abanadam ehwe nuanom wo mbodin mmo de nya wana onyankopon pede wowu ne mom wode won kwa gba afor de wo ye oman na adwuma na suddenly wo hia wona kwanhiewu oye yaw na iyi nso lentwian fi nya yete dam de oman na adwuma bi wo honom a yenye ne mom ye de ahofama nsi yo ne nka bombotumaye tie ma obi a hyeden
Honorable Desmond Petu Gomoa East Badwam Pesuano so Emrase Bejani na mahunu the majority chief whip ewo ha ye momoden say betumi ene no edi nkomo a na fe ye hwe sedia eko Honorable Nelson Dafemako ye hwe say betumi ene na edi nkomo na ye bisa no isa se foto no ho asem a ye ka ene mu amanebo no yentie chief whip yenyina yen hye ho den wadaroma
that's
na dedi kan wo mrase bedwafi no ye leader wo hoi no fund na mampani aka ho asem se mo bete foto no amma nkwada wo magye wo machire no wo se ba mrase bedwafi na mo dunjuba na sa mampani na de tumi e de sa fund no bepa
we dey enye fund se ehu be nya se ba parliament because mampani na de tumi e be setting up but say a by act of parliament there any beba but Omanpenyi betimi as a trustee fund and appoint trustees to manage it. This is Major Mahama no be Major Mahama dey by parliament but me dey say Omanpenyi etu sa na mo no but dey hear me say for instance Major Mahama dey no we don't know Senate TSCR whether the trustees now that time no so and they are managing the funds the way it's supposed to be managed until when won't be here me say trustees now man penyin den nzabeto omuso say omo ana obepo omuso omo manage fund on be di hunjuma because
beneficiaries no more doors. So beneficiaries need doors. So he said the managers of the fund, the trustees, they will meet regularly in accordance with the terms and references for the establishment of the fund to do that. But say about parliamentar, you bet me the way you demand the certificate of agency. ABA, ebe here cross say beba and emergency sitting to come and consider it, pass it, then the president can set it up. But in the meantime, by executive directive, he can set it up.
Emudia when I share secure that because security say o mampani betia mrebia enter and I said the mretachi they when they secure.
They are out of parliament. They are out of parliament. It's a parliament. It's setting up. And we are more secured because President Fufu Bank said, because it becomes statutorily established.
Na tauno Ghana phobi se wo madwen na kakra especially hwehwemu was a koso black box na South America and na was mo ba ebeyen hwehwemu no emayen sample ye fire South Africa de ye koye e bi kyese Ghana ye tokro de da ye ho a ye ntumi entuetua ye oniom ya adwen
no currently there ho anu aka because how say atuye bebre different shades but we've mourned as a nation like this. As I say, also Prof. Samuel say, now a lot of the things, it has to be done outside. And we mourn as a nation like this. In Shia, I say, we mourn. Look at our rules. Look at our rules. Here, these gamma contractors, no more seeing the quality of the road. So we have a problem. So we must begin to do things properly as a nation. You see, University of Ghana Medical Center, Yawo Kolebu, Yawo Konfanochi, Yawo other regional hospitals. Resourcing those institutions to be equipped with this modern day forensics to analyze when events like this happen. It's not beyond them. Then two, say a matter of deficit, we need to then bridge that gap. We need to establish those critical institutions. As for forensics, you have forensics, but the nature, the discussion was the nature of the forensics now more technical. And yet the regular pathology tests are over here. More forensic analysis as to DNA. And then my cases were caught. DNA court ordered DNA G samples few labs. Then they take it to South Africa for DNA. And suddenly the results now, and suddenly court makes pronouncement. So we have known this so long from my practice. So we need the DNA unraveling facility here, so that when the person is alive or not, we can have the access to it. It may be expensive, but who here?
Honorable Nelson the farmer ko South Daimra Shebejani or ye majority chief whip na ye wien komo yi ye ne Alaji Tanko computer oko deputy director ye ne no emon komo wadaroma minim se wo so pa na ene obade atonsa afre no ya wo hode di kan de na obeka se mekai pa o Dr. Badwam
are over say Dr. Manidia Sambekana Samdia intimate way interview because Papano he knew what he was about. Now or your strategies, proper strategies. Who say Danukra no obe program no. In the morning, Yeni Dr. Neshia around 7 o'clock, about 7:45. About Akotia by election. No, I know you're director of election. No, I'm a defense minister. So you share ni we ni na. Yeah, they are not himself over to Kwankra. 3 hours later, no my friend say, so at the end we are still processing. And he said, "DNA kosu." Who say we master surgeon because say they are my legacy be. And in a body cameras no, activate body cameras no. A code or the may. As members of the director, yet ENA or deputy, we will follow through the legacy. May say activate body camera no, yɛbɛyɛ ne yie paa na NDC will continue to be a winning machinery in the foreseeable election to come.
And now here fan war, and how did you receive the shocking news?
Oh, na me war office because we meeting na me come office because we meeting around 7:45. Na me go to office because on my coin say yanko say me colleague no so onko akwatia na me so mini electoral commissioner e be share. So yeah, the nim say obeto kwan. So me come office say me prepare ade ne na open no na me ko boano. Only 3 hours later, not General B frame me, Army General B or frame me, no can me say this is what happened. I nearly fell down in the office. Because 3 hours difference. That's what
Namosa kwati amuko wini.
Oh, you be winning. You are continuing there. You be winning hands down.
Akwati aso be akasa nyemu seat enye mbakasa NDC eja pade sa.
So nim say akwati seat no na inconclusive. Because na wo court. Yeah, filing election petition na wo Fredo High Court. We're in the process na MP no or KBB. So we wanted the judge to know that MPP didn't win the election or we rig election no because now it was evidence. So that seat is not MPP seat. They rigged the election. Now we are going to show them that they didn't win the election. To exhibit it and they will see.
And just a more GDS winning. I don't know for Okoyo and Namojin, so we're winning 19 on it, and there's committee now quarter month for one quarter more be able to know. I
say a democracy, yeah, they are social democrats. Social democracy, there we don't just force people on the no, yes, sir. Yeah, Mark Wine, Obia to my contest. So who contest here? So move per se on side representative. But tomorrow. So Sana here and Pepe free and fair. Yeah, we no cry on say see 2 candidates in a plus lawyer no. They are working together.
But do you change a winning team?
Say no, like I say, you use the delegate system, social democracy to elect your leaders. You don't just sit down and say because you are this, we should just put you there. Yes, because it's about representation of the people. The Nippon no be represented, no say ye pe we no representing. Unlike the MPP who say, I don't know confusion no cause ma akwatia. I must say. Don't say, and it's coming between about less than 5 votes. Primaries. Why didn't they bring out Amasi? Because she is not supporting their established candidate. Or say, established candidate, MPP. And so, no, they say, you ever win the election. Yes, that's it.
Alaji Tanko computer and out the Kanoya deputy IT ewo NDC mu. Ya do be see ewo hase na dia kana to aso dia meje so ene abena pokua Rene